Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, welcome. Today I'll be making vegetable soup. First, I'm going to tell you guys what we'll be using for this vegetable soup. It's very simple to make. Without wasting time, let's get right into the video. For this vegetable soup, you'll need palm oil, some goat meat, stockfish, crayfish, dried fish. You need your seasoning cubes, onion, and my spice mix. This one I mixed it with Nigerian pepper soup spice. So I used water leaf, and you can use any of the leaf on the screen if you're in China, but if you're in Nigeria you can use pumpkin or any other leaf that you like. So we're going to wash the stockfish and the dried fish with hot water. Pour in your stockfish, your dried fish, all washed. Add your pepper, fresh pepper or dry pepper, some onion, some diced onions, your seasoning cube, and then your favorite spice. Just, use whatever works for you. I don't add salt because the stockfish already have salt. I'll add that later to taste. So this is how I slice the vegetable. You just take out the stem and use your chopping board to slice it. I don't like it really thin, so I just slice it. I think I'll say the average size. After slicing the vegetable, I did wash it before slicing it, but after slicing it, I'm going to put it in a colander and then run just warm water over it. I don't want to take out the nutrients. I'm just doing that, But if you wash it thoroughly before slicing it, you don't need to do that. You put it in a colander to let it drip. It's a vegetable soup, so we need it to be as dried as possible. When I mean dry, I mean like no water. I do the same thing for the second vegetable. You can actually add as much vegetable as you want. Let's check back with our meat. As you can see, the meat is well steamed. I'm just going to add little water so it can cook very well. The meat is cooked. I'm going to take out the meat and I'll use the stock to fry the oil and the crayfish. Add your palm oil. Add your crayfish. Then you add your vegetable. Add your meat and stir it. I'm going to zoom it in so you see how fresh this looks. You can pair it with rice or just eat it like that, but I'm going to eat it with eba. And I have white gari, but I actually like eating yellow gari. I'm going to show you guys my knockout yellow gari recipe. So I have my clean bowl. I'll drop some red oil, like some palm oil in the bowl, and I'll run the hot water on it. After that, I'll add my white gari. I'll run some more water on it so it can cook the ones on the top. Cover it for like 5 minutes. Then you mix it. You're supposed to use a spatula, but I'm using spoon. Mix it very well. You can see you have your red gari ready to be destroyed with your vegetable soup. That's it, guys. We've come to the end of this video. Can you just look at how beautiful this soup looks? Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I hope you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support me. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.